Put on your gloves, young elf. Move close to the oven. Tighten your tummy, bend through your knees, keep your back straight. Push up using your legs to save your back. Do not twist but turn and place your turkey down safely. Always have an option B. You could lunge. Keep your back straight. Keep the turkey close to you again. And use the legs to raise. Remember, turn, do not twist. Never overstretch. And lift with one hand and twist and bend. When lifting your pans in the kitchen, stay close to them. Tighten your tummy, raise, sidestep, never twist. Place the pan down safely. To help prevent back strain, it's always a good idea to place the smaller pots and pans to the back and the larger, heavier pots to the front, so that on lifting, you're not stretching and bending and lifting too heavy. To summarize, never bend from the hips. This will strain your back. Rather, you should tighten your tummy and hinge. Bend through the knees and push using your leg muscles. Never bend. After a hard day's work in the kitchen, you'll like to have a slouch. However, this can lead to back stiffness and pain. It is better that you sit upright. Put a cushion behind your back so that you may help prop yourself up and keep your spine upright. This will prevent back stiffness and pain. Good posture, my young elf. Excuse me. Remember, slouching could lead to back stiffness, neck stiffness, which would result in pain. Do avoid slouching. Thank you for watching.
Stretch, yeah.
Oh, can I just say something? Asbestos fingers.
Asbestos fingers?
If that turkey is hot. Oh, you pretend you hurt your back.
Yeah, I was going to say, I thought he was going to go, ooh!
It's a bit stiff, actually.
Okay, do one more time then.
What I'm learning is I'm never going to be an actor. That's basically what's going on here.
I'm also learning you'll never be a cook. You're doing great, James.
I filmed that, so that's cool.
You don't want to go from behind.
Excuse me, that was too much of a temptation.
So, do you want me to go for the old classic lunge?
The lunge.
Are we lunging or are we just squatting?
I think a lunge probably. But I don't
It's
know.
more exaggerating.
Lunge.
Lunge, yeah.
You could squat.
Squat then lunge.
What would most people do then?
I think it's when there's enough space like this. I think most people would squat. Wouldn't they?
Yeah.
But sometimes he was saying, wasn't it?
He was saying get down low, wasn't he? Onto your knees,
Yeah.
so you take the pressure off your back, and then
Okay.
you
Yeah.
could do both of them. Just
I'll do it,
yeah. Do you think we should have one of him watching TV, slouching?
Do you think we should put a cushion under here to say about how much he's eaten?
After the meal, that's a good idea actually. We're going to do that.
Don't make me laugh.
I have to say, it looks like you got nipples now. Can somebody make him less excited? Maybe turn it the other way around, I don't know.